lot of India, not everywhere, but this year I will be traveling to many more places, but I've been north, south, east, west, central, but India is a very large country. It's very interesting. So there's always, there is so much to visit.
Which part of the India do you, you liked the most?
They're all, they're so different. That's the beautiful thing about India, is that every area is different. The culture, the food, the textiles. I really love textiles. And so whenever I go to a place, I try to learn about the textiles and bring some home. And I actually make clothes with the textiles that I buy in different parts of India. And it's kind of a fusion with, Indian and Western, so that I can wear it back home. In the Western, exactly. So.
And do you think photography really helps in your painting?
Yes, it does. Absolutely, because with photography, you have to know about composition. Composition is one of the most important things in photography. And so in a painting, composition obviously is also important. So both fields really complement each other. And sometimes, color, when you're painting, you have to know about color, or when you're designing anything, color is very important. And in photography, that's also important. And sometimes if you can spot, certain colors in a frame, then it makes your photograph much more interesting. Yes. So it's all part of the, the fine arts, or the arts, or the visual arts. So what type of design are you doing? Is it...
started a semester, hasn't started.
Oh, okay.
Starting in August.
Okay, first year?
Yeah. First.
Okay, and so what are some of the things you're going to be learning the first part of the year?
It's basically going to be the fashion and lifestyle design.
Okay.
And then they have communication design also.
Okay.
And it's fashion communication, focused on fashion communication.
Fashion communication. Okay. The things that you're going to be studying, design and color and drawing and painting and photography. It's very, very interesting. A lot of fun. Much more interesting than numbers.
But you need numbers also.
Yes.
So that is again,
absolutely.
life is...
Yes, you have to know how to crunch numbers for your business, Exactly.
Actually, what I was saying is that I have also students, because I used to prepare them for abroad and all. The main thing is that in our school also it is that it's not about shades of nature, it's about observation. Which in, I don't know, fashion college you have using this bag. This bag is all about small things observed from the daily life. Now the result is a fashion nowadays. To bring very small things which we generally ignore in daily life. That is now in the fashion. The folk art, Indian folk art. I was discussing with Maria. Now in US is very easy to use the Indian Shiva and God forms. And I don't know how much you're aware that these God forms are so much popular that this is not only a Hindu symbol right now by law. That anybody can use it. There's a law for Shiva, Hanumanji, and I think Durga also. The 3-4 goddesses, all the design item right now. So the thing is that the Rajasthan design and the daily life, the trucks, autos and all. So in that way, observation and all is very important. Because now people are in their design way, they are not looking for something very great. Something very simple and very common which you can relate, because nowadays we are not relating with our own life. We try to evoke some memory. That's very important. When he is asking about nature, this is the thing.